So this big bag just came from Miss Cakes. Miss Cakes, my baby. If you guys don't know, Miss Cakes is like your go-to place for cakes in this town, okay? Sent a big bag of cake slices for me to take food photography for her. This Mia, can I talk without you please repeating after me? Thank you. So this bag has a lot of cake slices, and she said when you are done taking pictures, eat all the cake if you want. So all of this is still going to our bellies, but before then we have plenty of work to do, so let's get shooting. My last vlog where I showed you guys some of my product photography shooting behind the scenes thing, one or two of you commented and said you wanted to see more of that, so that's why I'm going to be including the process of shooting in this vlog, okay?
Hear carol sung from Rudolph's marching band. Give me an open fire, some eggnog and mistletoe, and a sense of wonder and someone to hold close. Give me some ribbons and a cherry for Santa's sake. No, it's not too late. No, it's not too late. Ooh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cool. Oh, how I wish for the Christmas. The next day.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during.
See my baby, see my baby, it's a rapper, it's a rapper, see my baby, see my baby, hi. You say hi these days with so much, what is it called? With so much excitement. Mama, you say hi these days with so much excitement. See you with small rapper, come on. By the time you start school, and you start going for cultural day. Come on, get it, See my baby, see my baby,
With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
Hi guys, I've been cooking all morning. It's literally like 1:30 to 2 right now, and I just finished making lunch, and my day doesn't even end here. Okay, I still have something to do today. Natural hair rocks. Come here, you cute little thing. Mia is here. Mama, why did you put your hand inside salad? You're eating salad. These days Mia always wants to say hi to you guys. These days. Say hi. No, look at the camera and say hi properly. Hi. You're eating with Papa? You're eating with Daddy?
Fish.
You're eating fish and rice and salad. So yeah guys, my day doesn't even end here. Natural Hair Rocks invited me for their salon party, which is holding today, and I'm sure which has already started because it was supposed to start at 1 p.m. You guys must know Natural Hair Rocks. They are a natural hair brand-ish thing on Instagram, and I think the hair that I was wearing in my unboxing PR packages video, I'll leave it linked up here in case you missed it, but the hair I was wearing in that video that many of you were loving is from Natural Hair Rocks. I think it's called their, if you guys are hearing king, I don't know. Nigeria is such a noisy place, you guys. Yeah, the hair I wore in that video was from Natural Hair Rocks. I think that was their wig Mavel hair, I think. Yeah, and I got it. It's been a while though. I think I got that hair. I think I even won it in a giveaway or something. I got that hair, I think it was right after I had given birth to Mia, I think. But anyways, yeah, so they're having their salon party here in Abuja today, and I'm thinking of going. They invited me specially, like via email. So in my head, I'm like, what am I doing with the rest of my Sunday? Nothing much. I've finished making lunch and everything. So the plan right now is to get ready, take Mia to her grandma's. She hasn't seen her grandma in literally 2 weeks right now. So I will take her over to her grandma's and her grandpa's, like I'll be with them while I am somewhere else. And then the dress code for this salon party is Ankara, and I'm confused on what to wear because guys, I have a bunch of Ankara stuff. So I'm thinking of wearing this top. This top is from SGTC clothing. I've had it for quite some time. It's a wrap top and it's really rumpled right now, so it definitely has to be ironed. I'm thinking of wearing this and a pair of jeans. I don't want to look too Ankara-ish, if that makes any sense. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking of wearing, this and a pair of jeans. Looking into the Ankara closet now, or do I just wear a dress? I don't know. I think this and jeans is just fine.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I...
Okay, so guys, I think I'm ready. Just put on some earrings now and maybe something low-heeled and I'm good to go. I'll see you guys as we go along, okay?
So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign.
Okay, am I in the correct place? Guys, I'm so late. This is 5 p.m. and this thing started around 1. I'm late.
More tricks, we could take things slow. Say you think about it too.
Send your whole list of characters, but you want me to start dropping your reviews from next week.
That I should be.
Brands don't understand how influencer marketing works. I could relate to what she said that they'll give you like an episode to say word for word. I can relate to what she said that they'll give you products. I know everything about that. I remember somebody reached out to me. She was like, "Oh hi Elena, I would like you to recommend me to, I want an influencer to use. She was hosting a Black Friday sale the next week. So like she wants an influencer. Her target is to sell like about 100 products. And I mean, how much is the budget? It's like 400k. Good money. I know a couple of influencers that she could work with. But this is what she said. She wants the influencer. She reached out to me on a Wednesday. She wants to start the Black Friday sale. Maybe next week Wednesday. So she wants. I'm like, wait, how do you want me? So like, can I recommend her to an influencer that she would sell over 100 pieces? I'm like, that is not realistic.
And the people are very lazy. They don't understand that building a platform, whether you have 200 followers or you have 2,000 followers,
to bring people together to just have conversations on, like, on what we're doing now, just trying to understand exactly what's going on and how to move forward. So I'm really like, this I came in here, honestly I thought it was just a natural hair rocks hair repair party, which is what I came to do. I think that's what's okay, let's see what's going on.
Hi. La Familiada in the building. Hi. You're so cute. Thank you. It's your hair, by the way. Yes, it is. So cute. Thank you.
This is a very heavy bag.
It is.
A very heavy bag.
Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything.
Hi, Sarah. Always looking good with those nice meals. Aww, beautiful.
Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign.
The next day.
So guys, good morning to you. This is the bag I received from the Natural Hair Rocks event yesterday, and I haven't even peeked into it per se, so I'm going to unbox it on camera for you guys. The first thing here, actually I bought this one at the event yesterday. I bought a wig, no, not a wig, a curly ponytail, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. You guys, first and foremost, I love a brand that yellow is their dominant brand color. I don't know why. I have a thing for just yellow when it comes to branding. So yeah, anyways, this is the bag it came in. I love what is written here. Hey queen, we curated this piece with love just for you. I think that's really cute. So yeah, I bought this at the event yesterday, and they still sealed it as if I had ordered and ordered online or something. So they even put a card inside for me. Meanwhile, I enjoyed that party. I went late yesterday, so I was only able to meet the discussion towards the end and then mingle the people who were there and stuff. Yeah, so this is just a way of caring for these ponytail, and yeah guys, this is it. I think it's really cute. I got it because the color just drew me in. This is literally my color. Like literally Alma color. Yeah, so it's so cute. It's really kinky and curly. So it has like 2 combs that you attach to your head, and then has a drawstring, so it's like a ponytail but like a curly short ponytail, and I really like this for when I would be rocking my natural hair again. And they were doing sales yesterday. All of their stuff was 30% off yesterday. So this bag has everything that I was gifted yesterday as an influencer. So of course the first thing here is a card with all their cute models and stuff. I love this brand, Sha. It says, hi gorgeous, thank you for being a part of our journey. We hope you have a fabulous Christmas and tag us in your Insta stories. You rock. Yep. So wow, it's called the African Naturalistas Anti-Dandruff Herbal Spray. Okay, Jersey's Natural Herbal Exfoliating Scrub. Yeah, mama, it's a scrub. Then over here we have the Natural Pimp Nourish Me Styling Butter. I'm guessing this is a hair butter. We have the Natural Pimp Rose Oasis Hydrating Juice, formulated with the best nature has to offer, dry hair and hydrate thirsty hair. Nice. I like these products already. Natural Pimp Citrus Blends Leave-In Conditioner. I don't know what this is. This is Is this an eye? I don't know what it is. It's something sha. Then over here, ooh, I'm excited about this. This is the Teos Cosmetics lip stain. I love Teos Cosmetics, by the way, guys. And I can't wait to see what color that they even give me. Yes, it's a dark brown. So this is the Teos Cosmetics lip stain in the shade Cocoa. I love this already. We have a couple of other things. Over here we have a natural hair rocks bag, a small bag, maybe like to put your wigs and stuff. And then over here we have neon satin headbands. So this is a headband. Then we have this in the box and it's wrapped, so I have to open it. But I don't want to destroy the wrapping paper. It's so nice. The paper says, what does it say? Sina de Vino. Sina de Vino, that's what the paper says. So I'm just trying to open this. This is what the box is looking like. Sina de Vino Fiesta Pack. It says 25 9 ounces rose gold rimmed clear cups, 25 premium linen fill napkins with unique rose gold design, 50 paper straws. Okay, this is like if you want to like host the party or something, if you want to like do cocktails or something. So this is more like a starter pack.
It's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every.
Okay. You're doing your makeup. Mia is doing makeup here. Like she has my mirror in front of her. She has a makeup brush with her and she's just rubbing it on her face. You guys, this girl's going to love makeup, eh? But anyways, guys, that is all I have for you guys in today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, please be sure to subscribe down below. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment. Be sure to share and share and share. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Mwah. Bye.